Family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making chocolate cake. So before we started, we're going to grease the pan with some butter. As you can see, I'm greasing the pans with some butter, and turn on your oven to 350 degrees. And just like so. Sides as well. What you want to do is to beat the underneath of the pan, take out the excess. Don't greasing the pan with the butter. So we're going to start off by adding the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2.5 cups of all-purpose plain flour. Let's sift that first. We are doing this because we don't want some lumps on the cake. Guys, we are done mixing the dry ingredients. So at this point we are going to go in with our vegetable oil. Now we are going in with the wet ingredients. So let's give that a mix. So guys, we are done mixing the cake for now. Going to transfer the butter to our baking pan. So this is the baking pan. So this is our butter. We are going to bake and we'll see you right back.